Unlock door sash by turning the handle to a horizontal position. Proceed to slide open the door. The insect screen can be slid open and closed across the door opening. Adjust sash roller height by first removing the cap. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the screw, raising or lowering the roller. Reinstall cap once completed. Repeat on the opposite side, adjusting both corners until the sash is aligned correctly within the frame. Close door by sliding the sash to the opposite side. Turn the handle downward to a vertical position to lock. Find out more information at intuswindows.com.